So what piece of advice would you give successful auto repair businesses who are keen to upscale?
Take time to manage time. Walk through your shop, walk through the processes that you follow, and look for, even if you take a stopwatch with you and just each step of the way, think about how much time am I doing this? How much time my technicians, or am I wasting by walking from the service bay to the computer that's in the office? How much time have I lost during a day doing that? Bring a computer out and put it in there, even a cheap little, or a tablet, cheap, it doesn't matter.
Wireless.
Yeah, and have it there. How much time are you going to save, and how much disruption happens as well? And that's why it's really keen. Everybody thinks, oh, but that only takes me 2 seconds. It doesn't include the bumping into somebody else, sharing a joke, and sometimes those things that get you off track and not in the headspace. You can disengage. I've got to go look up parts. That takes me time. I turn around and come back. What was I last on? I check through my list. It's all little micro bits of time, but taking the time to go through and understand what those are. Some workshops that we've gone and seen, it's just the littlest thing makes a huge change.
Yeah.
Putting that computer in a place that's central or local to the people that are going to use it most. Moving different bits of equipment around the workshop so that they're available and you're not having to. It looks nice and tidy when it's tucked out the back, but if it's being used on every second job, it's not worth keeping there. Put it somewhere else so it's easier and faster to get to.
Yeah, that's good advice.
Another one, let your trainees and your new team members use the catalogs. They're digital natives. They're playing on their phones. They're used to this stuff all the time.
Quite often they're younger as well.
And just let them dive in, because they'll pick up things that you might not see, and it's opportunity. The other one, we spend a lot of effort and a lot of time. We do stuff with TAFEs around the country to try and educate and show them these are the systems, these are the processes that are there. And you never know, giving them the opportunity, they might turn around and say, hey, yeah, I know exactly what to do here. And they might even be able to share and show you something that helps your workshop.
That's the bit that really you need to let them play, because they'll find something and say, hey, have a look at this. Wow, I didn't know that was there. And suddenly it becomes part of the business.
And ask questions. If they're asking for why and how and what, let them have a look. The system's built for everybody to jump in. We use the same system for our team when they join on and they're learning parts. All the information's there.
So where can our viewers go to see more about Repco's Navigator Pro and the other workshop digital solutions?
Well, we have a whole bunch of information on repcotrade.com.au. So it's a great resource to go through, see the new updates and some of those new things that we put in, we'll release and show off there. But absolute best of all, to find out about any of the systems and programs that we have available to workshops, is talk to your account manager, your store. They've all got logins and they can use and they can show. And there'll be little tips and tricks that they've picked up from other workshops. So somebody's showing them, hey, this is really cool and we use this all the time. They can share that with you as well. So it's not just their learning and their knowledge and experience, but it's also other workshops that are using the same platform.